As you can see, I just got my all metal chrome, shiny chrome shower head and shower tools. This is a second shower, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's the shower head that you can just move around and take with you and move it around all over your body. And then you've got the chrome shower dome head that falls right on top of your head, that stands right on top of your head, that's loaded on top of your head, and it feels literally like it's raining in the shower. This thing is really nice. I like the fact that it comes with 3 packs of plumber's tools. It's very easy to put together, not hard at all, very shiny, very powerful. Don't forget to shut the water off before you try it, but it's easy to put together. I would highly recommend it. This is a nice set. I love my shower, and this just adds to it. And the fact is that it will shine for a long time. It is a really nice set, easy to put together, and I hope that this helps you to make a good decision. This is a really nice chrome, shiny chrome, all set up, and it comes with all of the tools. It comes with the washers. It comes with everything you're going to need to put it all together, so you can the shower and the shower head, the handheld shower head. It comes with, you know, the cable, the hose. Everything is here. All you've got to do is take a little bit of time, put it together, and you'll be enjoying this in no time. Hope this helps. Have a good day, and I look forward to helping you in the future.
Just took a shower, as you can see. Great little shower head. A little bit too big for my, bathroom or tub, but it works great. Here's the flow. As you can see, great flow. And then this is the knob to kind of turn it. So I'll show from here. Great flow. Yeah, great little shower. It was confusing at first putting it together, but worked out pretty well.
I've had this shower head for about 4 months now. Works perfect. Love it. Super sturdy, well made. Everything works. Super happy. Actually bought 2 after this